Right, so today we're in section 11.4, the area of a parallelogram. All right, and here's our formula. A equals BH, where B stands for the base and H stands for the height. What's important here, guys, is that you realize that the height is actually straight up and down. It's a vertical distance on the parallelogram. Because it's slanted, it's not the actual side length here. Like, that's the height, but this would be considered the width over here, and then this is considered the base. So on your homework tonight, you're going to have all three of those dimensions. There is a difference between the height and the width. The width is the side length that, is basically on the side, but the height is the actual distance top to bottom straight across, okay? All right, you got it? Got it? You wrote that down? You drew that figure? All right, so what does this look like in a problem? Well, if I'm finding the area of this parallelogram and my this dimension is, let's say, 6 centimeters, and then this dimension is 10 centimeters. And this dimension is 4 centimeters. So I have 3 dimensions here, okay? 3 dimensions. What is my formula again? A equals BH, base times height, to find the area. So on A equals, what is my base? 10. And what is my height? 6 is my height. It's not 4. What is 4? 4 is my width. I don't even need that value to determine the area. Area equals 60 centimeters squared. But now perimeter, guys, with perimeter, it equals 2 times the length. It's staying with the as a rectangle, plus 2 times the width. So what is the length, or my base? 10. P equals 2 times 10 plus 2 times, what would I plug in for width? 4. So P equals 20 plus 8, so that's 28 centimeters. Now, technically, guys, you could just add up all the sides. 10 plus 4 plus 10 plus 4, and you would still get 28. So I'm not going to be picky necessarily on the formula for perimeter, but you do need to use the formula for area. I want to see BH, base times height. Do you see the difference between height and width? Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, so now in example 2, now I have a parallelogram that is the belt of a treadmill. Everybody know what the belt of a treadmill is? It's that thing that goes around and around and around and we run on it. Okay, so now it says the area is 2,052 inches squared. So I know I'm using the area formula. A equals BH. The width is 18 inches. What is the length of the belt? Well, basically here, I don't like the wording that they used, but width is going to be our height and length is going to be our base. So here's the main thing I want you to gather from it. Where does 2052 plug in for A? 2052 equals 18B. And now, how do you solve this equation? Divide what? Yes. Divide both sides by 18. And that'll give you a base value of what? 114 inches. All right, so really what I want you to take from this example is whenever you're finding an unknown base or height, you have to plug in the area for A and then you solve for B or H. All right, so now we're going to do another one. All right, let's see, let me it over to, where is it? All right, so here's your parallelogram. All right, and here's your dimensions. Find the unknown base or height. So what did you plug in for A? 56. 56, very good. And then B? B. Did you write B8?
No.
No. What do you write? 8B. You've got to write the number first, remember, and it doesn't matter what order you multiply. Then how do you solve for
You
B?
gotta divide 6 by 8.
Divide.
But you use 7. Divide that.
Divide both sides by 8. B is 7 inches. Who got 7 inches? Okay, guys, that's everything you need to know. Okay, so just remember there is a difference between the height of a parallelogram and the width, remember. So you'll see the height notated on your homework tonight in red, and the width will be in a different color. So that'll help you find area. You need the height for area. You need the width for perimeter. And that's it.